The aha moment really came down to having that full visibility right at our fingertips. Without Aspire, my team would not know where they stand. There would be guesswork on our profitability. We are involved in commercial landscape. We have about 60% maintenance and about 40% enhancements right now. We were having significant difficulties. We weren't getting the metrics. We needed more information to be able to run our business properly. What do we do to make sure that we've got the net profit within the company that we want? And Aspire allows us to be able to do that very easily. And when I got down into the data and the metrics and how quickly we could pull profitability information out, we could see all of our work tickets, we could see the earned revenue, we could see the actual versus the estimated. We had a lot of data that we could very quickly filter in any particular fashion that we needed. Without that information, we would not be a profitable company. I would absolutely recommend Aspire to others in the industry. Aspire is the leading provider for landscape job management.